Hey guys, Darkest Art here with Fat Tony and UD Predator. We've managed to get the first transport mission we did to get the blueprints. So we're recording the train heist now, and let's see if we can do this stealth.
Probably not.
Yeah, probably not. We'll probably have to re-record many times.
Oh, we got the big shit on. Well, at least we'll know if there's a bunch of people down here this time. Alright, ED, let's go. Try and stay behind us, Hero. We don't want you getting spotted really early, because that would fuck shit up. Be quick.
If I have some cookies and milk, guys, I'll be right back. I'll be at the top.
No, stay down.
No, just
I
kidding.
want you getting spotted.
We do want you.
Oh, UD behind you!
There's a ball there. First.
Yo,
Got
I'm
him!
trying to dominate him. Nope, you got to help him.
How do I get cuffed? No, get the thing first. Get the thing first.
Oh, I'm not gonna get this thing first. I'm gonna get you first.
I'm just sitting over here, Jimmy, in my cuffs.
There's
need that
so
much
many fuck. Yes, I do.
But only use one shot in the head. But okay, there's someone caught. You got caught. Suck. Put your hands up. Put your hands up.
You're ready to call on that body. We're not allowed yet. I want to do something. You're ready to call on that body. I'll call this one in.
Alright, I'll call this one unless you don't have. Unless you have
I have Smooth
Wait,
Talker,
no,
but if you want to do it.
Civilian. Kill that civilian.
Get it, just get it.
Kill them.
Wait a first.
I got long range with this. Oh, by the way, UD, I bought the wrong thing. I can't open doors with it.
That's some crazy nerves today. I can't hear you at all, but always go.
It's the override, don't you know that?
I'll kill override then. I can restart, folks. Yo, here's final guard, dominate. Actually, oh no.
I can't. I don't have anything
No, that was
intimidating
the
enough.
second guard. That was the second guard. Somebody dominate him. UD.
Can't dominate him because you already got caught.
We didn't get caught. Answers page.
Got caught.
I got it.
I got it.
Actually, I think that was the last guard. The civilian.
Oh.
Nope, I found one.
We can dominate him then.
Lower your weapon. On your knees.
Giggity.
Alright, so there are a lot of dead civilians on the left side by your left, so I would, yeah. I did looking for key cards over there, 'cause I didn't bag everybody. I'm not bagging anybody right now. Hey look, there's a thing in here. I'm just gonna open this. Chicken boom!
I already told you that was there.
I didn't see it. Or I didn't hear you. I was. Yeah, that's the one with the turret in it. Find the other key card and we'll open the other one. For the other one.
Okay, everyone. Oh, it's coming.
I'm gonna look. But I mean, sometimes the guards don't see him. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. Anybody who's left, they'll leave. I found another one. I found it. Hey, use your key card on this wall right here. Do you
I
see
don't
it?
have a key card.
I know when you get one. I know where it should be.
Open it right now. Hold on.
Open it. Yep.
100%?
Check. Prove me wrong. Just place it, dog. You know I'm right.
It ain't there. Oh, it is there.
Oh.
Did he get the second drill?
Yeah, about second drill. Does this one have any too? I don't see any in this one. I don't see a camera on this side, which means We can open the last one if we want to take a chance, but there could be a guard who
Oh,
spawns.
especially you guys scared me.
I think we're good with what we got.
No, we're not. We're gonna get all. This is how we do it. We're gonna get everything.
Jumped over that guy.
As soon as we get all the bags or all the shells from the first one, open this, but do not open it yet.
I opened it then.
Not now. Don't
They did
seriously.
it.
Well, let's get this shit done quickly.
Yep.
Okay.
We have to wait for the drill.
Yep. I went up that pole.
The drills are gonna take 4 minutes alone, dog.
So fast I'm going up and down this pole. So fast.
Dog, I'm like as fast as you. I wonder if I can run up this one. Yeah, I could just
You
run up the
all of
glitches.
them.
Yeah, I know. See? I'm all up. You can throw yourself off. If one of you can get ready to pick my ass up, I'm about to throw myself off.
Why? What if someone sees you and then you fail?
Don't do it, Bill
Well,
Clinton.
then we knew where the other guy was.
He's right there, you big
Bill Clinton, no!
No, the extra guard. If there's an extra guard, he'll see us. Whee!
No, Bill Clinton!
Alright. I'm fine.
Oh.
I'm fine. I couldn't even kill you.
No, you can open this door over here. Come over here, Tony.
No. Oh, that door, yeah, you can shoot him open. You can shoot him open.
Oh,
Whoa.
Yeah, you can. The metal one. Watch, dog, you know that.
Open it then.
I just noticed this, but I am the black gentleman.
You're a chain.
See a lot of them open, and it's like takes like.
I didn't know that Chains was African American.
Yep. Chain's black.
Didn't know that.
1 minute. Jesus Christ. This is taking forever. I really just... Alright, when do you come at me?
Ow. Bill Clinton, no!
Oh, I'll be right back, guys. Okay.
I'll come save you.
I'll be like 30 bajillion hours.
Let me just... I
Pick
can't...
my ass up.
I can't get you.
Oh, shit.
There we go.
Okay, I was about to panic. I was like, if I had the drilling perks, I will make her take less time. Look up. Tell me which direction he's coming from. Off the dashboard. Get back to bridge.
He's coming from the far end over there.
I see him. Bag, please drop either on the bridge or right here.
Is that one guard the freaking hostage? The guard,
Yeah,
the hostage.
we already... Yeah.
There
There it goes! Yes, it's a perfect throw. It's not a good throw. I mean, I wish it was on top of...
You realize how heavy that drill probably is, and he just chucked it that far from that high?
Yeah, and it's just fine. Oh, are you kidding me?
Physics.
Did it really just have to land up there? Is that even possible to get?
What?
Oh wait, yeah, it's the jump thing. It landed on the roof of the shit. I have to parkour.
Parkour!
Too slow.
Alright, you need to throw it. Don't you dare put that down. I don't want to have to upgrade you. Take that.
Ow!
Come over here. Give me this one. Let me put it down.
Which one am I doing? This one?
Yes, I'm doing it. Let me put it down.
But I'll set it up. Alright, I'll do it right here. Just fix it up. Oh, well, that's your time on drilling.
It's 60% down.
I know, dude. I can hear it all the way.
It's so shiny.
Look at it. Go look at it.
I gotta look at it. I'm upstairs.
Okay, then you know. Or, well, you know, it's not fully upgraded. I don't have an 8. Just have 65% now.
Alright, guys, think we should cut the video here?
Cut it and then we can do an end video. Or you could just, they could just see how long it takes. Let's see. It does take a very long time. These drills are like 246.
Well, guys, we're gonna cut the episode here.
It was really boring.
When the drills get the stuff open, I will post a video for it. So, until next time, I will catch you guys on the flip side.
La, 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 la.